In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana throughout the day. Asana is an increasingly popular project management tool that helps individuals and teams to stay organized, track progress, and manage their tasks more effectively. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through using Asana efficiently so you can better manage your daily activities. Let's start with the basics. First, open your preferred web browser and go to Asana's website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up for one by clicking on the Sign Up button and following the prompts. Once you're signed in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your projects and tasks. Now we'll dive into organizing your tasks for the day. On the left pane of the dashboard, you'll see a sidebar with various sections like My Tasks and Inbox. Click on My Tasks to view all the tasks assigned to you. Here, you can prioritize your tasks by due dates and assign them categories such as Today, Upcoming, and Later. This will help you focus on immediate priorities while also keeping track of what's coming up. Next, let's talk about creating tasks. To create a new task, simply click the plus button and fill out the necessary details. Give your task a clear title and set a due date to keep you on track. You can also add detailed descriptions or attach files to provide more context. If you're working as part of a team, assign the task to yourself or a team member, and remember, you can always add collaborators if the task requires teamwork. Now that we've got tasks sorted, it's time to look at projects. In Asana, projects are collections of tasks that can help you organize work around larger goals. You can create a new project by clicking on the plus New Project button in the sidebar. Choose a template or start from scratch, and don't forget to give your project a descriptive name. Once your project is set up, start populating it with tasks and use sections within the project to further organize your work. This is particularly useful for breaking down larger initiatives into manageable steps. The last step in mastering Asana for your daily routine is utilizing its collaboration features. Use the comment feature within tasks to communicate with teammates directly, reducing the need for lengthy email chains. If you're stuck or need input, tagging a colleague in a comment ensures they're notified. Remember to check your Asana inbox frequently for updates on tasks and projects you're involved in. It's like your email inbox, but specifically catered to your project and task updates. By incorporating these practices, you'll be able to use Asana to make your day more structured and productive. Don't forget to review your tasks at the end of each day. Mark them as complete once done and plan for the next day. With consistent use, Asana becomes an invaluable tool in maintaining organization and achieving goals seamlessly.